Mastering phrasal verbs. Recognize and conquer. Hello there, English learners. Welcome to another video in our series on mastering English phrasal verbs. Today, we're focusing on a very important strategy: recognizing common phrasal verb patterns. In this video, we'll explore how you can identify these patterns and improve your overall understanding of phrasal verbs in context. Let's dive right in. Phrasal verbs are a unique feature of the English language. They consist of a base verb and one or more particles, either prepositions or adverbial particles. For example, the phrase, give up, is a phrasal verb where give is the base verb, and up is the particle. Phrasal verbs can be tricky because their meaning often cannot be deduced from the individual words. For instance, give up means to surrender or quit, which is not immediately apparent if you only consider give and up separately. Being able to recognize common phrasal verb patterns can significantly help you in understanding these complex expressions. There are mainly three patterns. 1. Verb plus adverb. This pattern includes phrasal verbs like sit down or wake up. Here, the base verb combines with an adverb. 2. Verb plus preposition. Phrasal verbs in this category include look after or wait for. The base verb in this case combines with a preposition. 3. Verb plus adverb plus preposition. This pattern is a bit more complex and includes verbs like put up with or look forward to. The base verb combines with both an adverb and a preposition. Remember, the meaning of a phrasal verb often does not directly relate to the meanings of its individual words. This is why understanding them in context is crucial. When encountering a phrasal verb in a sentence, try to deduce its meaning based on the overall context of the sentence or paragraph. Here are a few strategies to help you. 1. Identify the phrasal verb. Spot the base verb and its particles. Try to categorize it based on the patterns we discussed earlier. 2. Look at the surrounding information. Notice the words and sentences around the phrasal verb. These can often provide clues about the phrasal verb's meaning. 3. Guess the meaning. Based on the context and your understanding of the base verb, try to guess what the phrasal verb might mean. 4. Verify your guess. Use a dictionary or online resource to check your guessed meaning. With time and practice, your guesses will become more accurate. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on recognizing common phrasal verb patterns. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering phrasal verbs. So, keep reading, keep practicing, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. You're doing great, and every step you take is bringing you closer to mastering the English language. Until our next lesson, keep learning and happy studying.